Alright, Dave Tomorrow here, owner of Temple Airsoft. Just doing you a little bit of an update of what we have out here and the improvements that have gone on. Frame of reference, this is on the main split road between the trenches, 5,400 feet of them. We got a new bunker over there, and the mout facility. I'll do a quick walkthrough. Keep in mind that this is 850 feet by 550 feet wide. We've got some new stuff going on here. If you Google Earth, a lot of things are not on there. Okay, let's start off with building 1090. Everything is all the buildings we're trying to mark. A couple blocks we're still working on. They should have that done by Saturday. But we've got 6 blocks, 3 on the left, 3 on the right, 4 east to west roads, and 5 north to south roads. We're going through Main Street right now. We got all sorts of little things hidden all over the place. All the plywood containers are on their way out, being replaced with the wood pickets, plywood, construction, or steel. Okay, so here we go. Tire center over there. Got 2 cinder block structures, not on the map. Containers, small and large, right here. First tower is 1008. This is the new church that's going up, 4010. This is the 1000 block right over here. This is the 4000 block. We've been clearing it out of smaller containers and going to be doing some larger construction. Rails all the way up. Like I said, this is the main. It's one of the main roads right here. Goes all the way down into construction to the container at the end of this road. If you look closely, you'll see lights for night games are scattered throughout the area, and we are proofing the electrical right now. We have about 20 vehicles altogether. They're scattered throughout. 4900. Again, not on Google Earth. A lot of these things are not on Google Earth. Doing a rash of building. That is the OC tower. If we work it out, we may be doing some other stuff off the side of it. As soon as we get the internal staircase built in, first, second, and third stories will be able to be used. Got the Class 6 store over there. That's new. 2011. It's been around for a while. Building 5000 is a functioning aid station. 5001. Container right there. The center is brand new. Got that yesterday. EMC SPO. Got some new markings on containers. If you see this right here, the red X, that's off limits. If you're caught in one of the buildings with those on there, you will be ejected from the facility. Got the complex over here. Got tanks, real World War II armored personnel carriers. Get them restored. Can't build anything right here due to gas pipeline, but we are going to have a new structure going in with 55-gallon drums. One of the 20 or so vehicles we got scattered about. Got some new here. Look over that direction at 9900. You've got a prison. It's actually got in and out and a prison courtyard. The Golden Weasel over there. Got 11 rooms where you can do CQB training. Got a tower on top where you can look down and film it. Great for training. See where it says the van over there? That's all new. Breaks up the field real well. Got plans for another about 10 or so, we like to call it buildings, but really just walls. We just picked up about 30 of the 55-gallon drums. The guys Saturday had the opportunity to use those to build up their own defenses. Gives the players a chance to have some input. And here it is, a good walk. It still takes nearly 7 minutes to go from one side to the other without anybody shooting at me or anything. So that's pretty good. We're going to go this direction a little bit, and I'm going to go to my perch and get an overall view. With the help of the players and everything, we're going to put in a few more buildings. Again, when I say buildings, I mean a bunch of walls, and make this into a world-class training facility. Not just for airsoft, but for police, law enforcement, and we've had the National Guard out here recently, and they just went nuts over it. This area should have lights installed tomorrow, so we'll have the entire field lit for night games coming up this summer, which we'll probably be doing almost every weekend. So, as we get over here, get an overview. I keep making these videos, but every time I make it and post it, the field gets updated and changed. So people keep going, send me a map, and every time I do, it's outdated. So this has actually got just as large footprint as the main training facility. The only thing, that training facility is got 1, 2, 3, 4-story buildings. So we're working on it, but I don't have the $2 to $3 million. But we're getting there. Thank you for your time. Check out templeairsoft.com. On Facebook, it's Temple Airsoft or Central Texas Airsoft for the forums, or CTAF, Charlie Tango Alpha Foxtrot at proboards.com. We got 4 places you can go to find out all the information you need about the facility. That's about it. Thank you very much for